Dodge City Jeep is located west of
This wonderful 2007 Hyundai Sonata comes equipped with a responsive gas i4 2.4-liter/144 engine, a smooth shifting automatic transmission, and has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This sedan has comfortable seats, and only 46,531 miles. The safety features on this vehicle include an in-glass antenna, rear center armrest W/2, cup holders and multi-adjustable front bucket seats. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.